So this here, it's a SciFit Step 1. Right now, we're remanufacturing actually 4 of these machines. So we have a lot of parts laying over there, over here, and over here. These are all from Planet Fitness. As you can tell, they're purple in color right now. So what we're gonna do is, this is a machine that's just starting to get taken apart. This is basically right here, there's a seat with wheels on it. This is like the rail. It has wheels inside of here. Every single machine, we're gonna put new wheels on it. You can see here, a lot of these joints here have bearings inside of them. Every single one of these bearings is going to be replaced. When we put the new bearings in, we're gonna use grease. There is also a drive belt. Can't see it here, but there's a drive belt as part of the drive assembly. That will be replaced on every single machine too. Anything that is wrong, what our techs are gonna do is we're gonna make a list of parts needed, place an order request form, and get those parts going. While those parts are in motion getting ordered, we're gonna go to our paint booth. All of these parts right here, purple, not purple, whatever it is gonna be sanded down to bare metal and repainted. Another thing we're gonna do too is things that are not painted parts, such as this rail will be cleaned to like new. The other thing too, since this is a Planet Fitness machine, there's a purple overlay. There's also a lot of stickers on it that say Planet Fitness, and this is pretty typical, but we're gonna put a new overlay on this machine so it looks like a regular machine. We're also gonna put new decals back here. We're gonna put it back together, do final testing on it. It's gonna be like new with a 1-year warranty standard with extended warranty options for up to 5 years. That's potentially longer than a new warranty at a much better price. We also ship and install machines nationwide. And then I don't have a fully remanufactured Step 1 to show you, but you can see this right here is a Precore elliptical. It's already been completely remanufactured. As you can see, pretty much looks brand new. And every one of these functions is obviously going to be tested to work brand new, heart rate and everything. Our goal is when you get it, you're not going to notice the difference between a remanufactured machine and a new machine.